How to start a dropshipping business in 2022. I will discuss in detail, so please watch my video complete, and if you like my video then subscribe the channel. Guys, starting a dropshipping business is a great first step into entrepreneurship. You will be able to sell product to customer, get your own product prices and market your very own brand. You don't even need to pay for inventory until it is sold to an actual customer. If you are willing to put in the work, you can build a successful brand. And if you are still on the fence about starting your online business, maybe it will help to know the e-commerce sales amounted to nearly $3.5 trillion worldwide. Guys, what is dropshipping business? It is a business model which you can use to run your store without ever holding any inventory. Once you have made a sale, your supplier will ship your products from their warehouse straight to your customer's doorstep. You will never need to worry about storing, packaging, or shipping your product. How does this model work? Guys, there are three key players in the dropshipping business: manufacturer, retailer, and the customer. The manufacturer role in dropshipping business model includes creating products, carrying inventory, shipping product to customer on behalf of the retailer, and replacing defective product and restocking them. They sell product to the retailer at wholesale price, assuming the risk of unsold inventory. In the dropshipping business model, the retailer sells the manufactured product on your website under your own brand. You will be responsible for choosing and marketing those products. Plus, you will also be responsible for their shipping costs and setting prices that make you profit. And how profitable this business is. That's a dropshipping fact we hear quite often. Dropshipping can be most profitable business mode of all, as you are not responsible for the cost of shipping and manufacturing. The cost of this profit can quickly be reaped once you have found the right supplier. You can calculate your profit to ensure you are on the right track to success with our dedicated profit margin too. Why is starting a dropshipping business as a good idea? Guys, the dropshipping business is a low-risk business model. When it comes to startup cost, you only pay for product that you sell a paying customer. You don't become overburdened with the cost of creating product, carrying inventory, cost of maintaining unsold inventory, and the cost of employees for packaging and shipping the product. It is a great entry into entrepreneurship, as you can start your own dropshipping business by yourself during your evening and weekends. Can you make money through dropshipping? Yes, you can of course make money through dropshipping, like many of our successful merchants continue to do. Dropshipping allows you to find product with huge profit potential and set up a business selling them. When you are motivated to sell product, you are more likely to invest more time into promotion and marketing, leading to more profit from your endeavors. Is dropshipping worth it? Yes and no. Dropshipping is worth the time and money you invest into it. If you don't invest time into your online business, you will never reap the rewards. One of the reason why people go out dropshipping is the lack of consistency. Perseverance. Dropshipping takes time, as you need to set up a store, import product, decide your pricing strategy, and start selling. Guys, I hope you will like this video. If you like my video, then subscribe to the channel. See you with new topic.